बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers, welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you most beautiful and very stunning polymer clay craft ideas. These are super amazing, super unique and very creative craft ideas for you guys. And I hope so you guys enjoy these type of polymer clay craft ideas. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and with your family member. These are very beautiful, very amazing and very unique polymer craft ideas for you guys. If you want different other craft ideas, then you leave the comment in the comment section and tell me about which kind of videos you want. Then I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are best craft work for beginners and for kids who love to enjoy clay playing. Then they also make these type of polymer clay things at home very easily. You guys also watch tutorials. If you don't know about how to make these polymer clay, then you watch tutorials on YouTube and then you make by your own very easily. I hope so guys you enjoyed these polymer clay craft, and if you want other craft work, then leave the comment in the comment section. And I personally like the polymer clay craft, and this is very unique and very attractive polymer clay craft. And we also decorate our homes with these polymer craft. ideas, because these are very unique and very stunning ideas and very attractive polymer craft for me especially, and I hope so you also attract from these pictures of polymer clay, and you must try these polymer clay craft. So guys, I am very thankful to you all that you support my channel and support me, and just keep supporting me and keep watching my videos and keep praying, and keep remember me in your prayers, and thank you for supporting my channel once again, and I'm very glad to see you all guys very soon, and stay tuned for the next video. Allah Hafiz.